Did you know a master forger nearly destroyed one of America's largest religions with fake documents? Mark Hoffman was a genius criminal who fooled everyone for years. He created perfect forgeries of historical papers that looked centuries old. His fake letters claimed Mormon founder Joseph Smith was into treasure hunting and magic, instead of receiving divine visions. The Mormon church was panicking because these documents could ruin their entire story. Hoffman made over $2 million selling his fakes to collectors and the church itself. He had a secret workshop filled with aging chemicals, old paper, and sophisticated tools to make new documents look ancient. But in 1985, people started getting suspicious. So Hoffman decided to kill anyone who might expose him. He built pipe bombs and murdered document dealers Stephen Christensen and Kathy Sheets. His plan backfired when the third bomb accidentally went off in his own car, injuring him badly. Police found his forgery workshop and discovered the truth. This master criminal's greed and desperation turned him from a brilliant forger into a cold-blooded killer.